Okay, Hazoor, as you might already know, the impact of climate change has been felt throughout the world, and it's getting severe more than ever. So my question is, what is your opinion regarding the current situation of the climate change, and how should we try to address the issue?
You see, this climate change or climate change problem is the issue everywhere, all across the world, right? And especially in the third world countries where the population is increasing in numbers, you can say without any proportion. So, and just to accommodate this population, you are increasing your residential areas. And because of increasing the residential areas, you are cutting the forest. So this deforestation is also causing climate change. So you have to be very particular, very concerned that whenever you cut any tree, you should plant 2 trees to replace that tree. And whenever the population is increasing, you should also increase in that area where there is already some clear area. Not that you cut the forests and do deforestation. And apart from that, you see, this fuel consumption should also be reduced. Now we have become so lazy that if we want to go from one place to the other place and the distance is only 100 yards or 200 yards, instead of walking to the place, we shall take our motorbike or the car to go to that place, right? And in this way also you are polluting the atmosphere. Pollution is increasing in the environment. And there are so many other factors which are causing pollution and climate change. And so we have to be very careful, although we cannot say that because of the fear of climate change we should not produce children or we should do family planning. No, but at the same time we should plan in such a way that the forest should not be cut without any proportion. If you cut 1 tree, you plant 2 trees. Try to establish or develop your areas or increase to make your new to start new developments, residential developments in those areas which are near to the town and the big villages, so that the forests are not disturbed. And at the same time, use less such type of vehicles which are being run by the fuels and are now making pollution in the atmosphere, right? So, and apart from that, that is a natural process. And if God wishes that He has to reduce the population of this world, then there is the natural process that He will, the law of nature will also work. So whatever we should do is that whatever is in our hand, we should try to do that one, right? So you should, if you are using motorbike, don't use it too much. If you are using car, don't use it too much. It would be better if you walk even up to 1 mile distance. Doesn't matter, right? And also Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya and Waqfe should start a scheme for the plantation of the trees in the forests and in different areas, right? And in Indonesia also, because of the climate change, the level of the sea is increasing, and now Jakarta is now sinking. There are quite a number of places, the beaches and the seashore areas, where your buildings even are sinking, right? And it is said that after some time, after a few years, you would not be able to see Jakarta on the face of the earth, right? So it is not only that because Indonesian people are not vigilant with regards to take measures for the betterment of the climate, but it is, you see, it's a global issue. So in the North Pole, South Pole, everywhere, it is happening. So we can also pray and also try our best to reduce this climate change, right? Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakumullah.